Hello and welcome to Remoterra Academy's course. In this tutorial, we'll cover essential aspects of Zoom, your go-to tool for online meetings. Now, let's schedule your first meeting. Click on Schedule a Meeting and fill in the details. Pay attention to options like date, time, and meeting settings. You can also integrate with your calendar for easy scheduling. Additionally, consider enabling the waiting room feature to manage participants effectively and ensure a secure meeting environment. When it's time for your meeting, click Start next to the scheduled event. You can choose to start with or without video, depending on your preference. In the Zoom meeting interface, you have a variety of controls at your disposal. You can easily mute, unmute, toggle your video, engage in chat conversations, and seamlessly share your screen, making it a versatile platform for effective online collaboration. Let's explore screen sharing. Click Share Screen at the bottom, and you can choose to share your entire screen or specific applications. This is handy for presentations or demonstrations. To manage participants, click on Participants. You can invite, mute, or remove participants as needed. Recording meetings is easy. Click Record at the bottom and Zoom will capture both audio and video. At the end of your meeting, click End Meeting and decide whether to save or delete the recording. Thank you for joining us on this journey of learning.